That's a smoke detector. And the green light's still on. Yeah, you know what? That must be why I'm sweaty in here all the time. You know, that thing fell down and I can feel fucking air. It keeps me hot, especially if it's like one of those, I don't know, it's got a green light, it fucking beams that move around in the nighttime. So, I don't know. I'll find out because this is highly illegal. And I knew it was. I fucking knew it. I'm not stupid. I am not fucking stupid. So I'm putting a time, date stamp on this. Because these people have been harassing me, the whole fucking neighborhood. Covertly. Listening, commenting to everything I fucking do. You know? And like I said before, yeah, it's just not the community based harassment. You know, everybody's involved in it, whether they stand there and watch and do nothing. They're just as guilty. Because if I was fucking in the car when somebody killed somebody, I'd be going down for murder too, right? You know what I'm saying? You're just as guilty. I told you. Managers, management, fucking... yeah. And it gets all quiet because everybody's fucking listening to me. Everybody's always watching me. And nobody has said a thing. Nobody said a fucking thing. Nobody. You know, it makes you wonder how many fucking decent people are left in the fucking world that somebody would let this happen to one person. Everybody against one fucking person. Pretty brave, huh? You know, I don't know. I never fucking... I mean, there's a lot more bullying that goes on now. You know, I've never been physically bullied. You know, in fact, you know, I protected kids that were bullied. You know what I'm saying? But, this shit, no, I don't know nothing about. Fucking, yeah. I'm dumb as fuck when it comes to this. And I shouldn't even have to know what I've known, what I know now, that I didn't have the words for when this first started. You know, when I was going through the crazy part. I shouldn't even have to know the shit that I know now. I mean... people just came along and shit all over my fucking life. And, yeah, all the good memories I had over here when I was young and shit living here. You know, just shit all over them. And fucking just like shit all over my life. And they're fucking really entertained and shit. They're really entertained, you know. I mean... Who targets you? It's the people closest to where you lay your head. Everybody that surrounds you. Up, down, side, the next block. Yeah. You know, and those are just the main perps. Especially the ones that are closest. Yeah. Those are the main perps, the main fucking domestic terrorists that fucking torture you every fucking day with radiation. You know. And they sit there and laugh about it. While you fucking lose your teeth, while you're fucking nauseated from long-term effects every fucking day. You gotta take motion sickness pills. My teeth, man, I don't even want to get into it. Lumps, well, you get fucking lumps and they go. And since you're already disabled anyways and all your nerves are cut off, you know, you get these fucking shocks. And then, you know, a lot of us, you know, have it, and it emulates Morgana's disease, you know. You know, there's so much and so many different shit. You know, we're not all in the same program. And, you know, I'm wondering who fucking red flagged me in the first place, because I've never done anything to anybody over here, you know. But I know somebody that, you know, she used to call the cops on her neighbors and call because they had loud dogs, but they were outside my window and they didn't bother me. You get me? But you know, she's turned on me before because she got upset. So she threatened to take my daughter away and keep her. But yeah, I'm wondering if it could have been anybody, but I'm wondering if she wasn't upset. You get me? Because I don't know, with everybody that's freaking tied to this shit, you know, and earns money by trying to get into my fucking real life Truman show, fucking, and get a door pass and get me to react to shit. You know, there's so many people fucking involved, you know, and not only mine, but other TI's lives, you know? And, you know, I would rather starve than earn money off of somebody's suffering or torturing them or trying to mind control them or manipulate them, you know? Yeah, I would rather starve. Because that's just not me. I can't do that. You know, I might have once, a long time ago, but raising kids and then plus this accident, it just rewired me different. You get me? But I'm more human. I'm more human than I was before this accident. But I look around and, you know, I mean, sure, technically you're a human if you have a heartbeat and a pulse and blood and flesh and you breathe. But does all that really freaking make you truly human? You know, I think it takes a lot more than that to truly make you human. And humanity's being lost. People are losing exactly, but maybe they didn't have it in the first place. Or maybe they just fucking sold it for some crack, or fucking just sold it off cheap, or I don't know, just toss it out the window like Chris Brown. I don't know, but it's really sad because stuff like that, man, you know, you can't put a price on that. You cannot put a price on that. You know, a lot of us TIs are empaths. And who do they target? The ones that believe in something, that are morally grounded, that have something that, yeah, that other people don't. We're the special ones. You know, tell me this 15 years ago, and I would have looked at you like, what the fuck are you talking about? I don't think so. Kick rocks, bitch. You know? But, hey, it is what it is. And, you know, I'm looking at this motherfucker, and I knew it. I fucking knew it. Because you know what? I've lived here almost 16 years, and there's only been 2 wires, a red and a black wire, with all the smoke detectors I've had wired into the building, and a white wire that, I guess it's for voice, so they never used it. Oh, man. Yeah. This place fucking burns up. Burns up. You know, that thing fell down right there. That thing fell down right there. And I stood up in there. And you know what? I could feel fucking air. And you know what? There wasn't all these fucking, like, this glass out there that you could see outside and shit. And, you know, I checked the glint finder too. Boom. Everywhere. So, yeah. TV, monitored, what the fuck ever. But, yeah, I gotta send this to somebody. Because you know how shit disappears. Patience. You know, I used to not be so patient. But then I had kids. And then now I'm even more patient. Because I've never had this much faith before. Never. You know. And what's hidden always comes to light. Peace out, targets.